Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Roku Refurbished is probably one of the most cost-effective ways to enjoy high-quality streaming entertainment at home, offering a fantastic balance of affordability and performance, but with so many options available, choosing the right refurbished Roku can feel overwhelming. This video will cut through the noise and help you decide if a refurbished Roku is right for you, and if so, which model will best suit your needs and budget, exploring key factors to consider before making a purchase decision. Number 5. Roku Streaming Stick 4K. Experience breathtaking picture quality with 4 times the resolution of HD. It's easy to explore popular apps and enjoy tons of free movies and shows. Watch your favorite entertainment on any TV, even those far from your router. Its long-range Wi-Fi ensures a smooth streaming experience everywhere. Its sleek design won't block other HDMI ports, and it's designed to stay hidden behind your TV. It's small but mighty. Control your TV, adjust the volume, and use its voice search to easily find what you want to watch. No more juggling remotes. Its portable design lets you enjoy your favorite shows while traveling. Take your entertainment with you, wherever you go. It has all the top streaming apps, so you'll always find something to watch. Never ask, "Where's that streaming app?" again. What we like. It boasts stunning 4K picture quality and Dolby Vision for breathtaking visuals. Its long-range Wi-Fi ensures seamless streaming in any room, even those far from your router. If you prioritize picture quality and convenient streaming throughout your home, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This device is surprisingly fast. I didn't expect a device that was almost as responsive as my Apple TV and LG TV. This is slightly slower but barely and no lag, which is the most critical thing for me. Roku allows a preview of channels as I fast forward through it. Very easy to set up, the voice remote is a great improvement, picture quality is excellent. Number 4. Roku Ultra Streaming Device. Get ready for the ultimate streaming experience. It's our fastest and most powerful Roku player yet, offering a blazing fast interface and instant channel access. Enjoy seamless streaming. It starts up super fast, so you can quickly access your favorite channels like Netflix and Prime Video. With its superior Wi-Fi and Ethernet port, it delivers fast, reliable streaming throughout your home, no matter where you place it. Experience stunning visuals and immersive sound. It supports 4K, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos for a truly cinematic experience. This device comes with our best remote yet. The rechargeable Roku Voice Remote Pro features personalized shortcut buttons for your favorite apps. Control it with your voice. Just say, "Hey Roku," to play shows, turn on your TV, or even locate your lost remote. Enjoy your entertainment without disturbing others. Use wired or wireless headphones for private listening. It offers access to a massive library of free and live TV channels, ensuring there's always something to watch. What we like. This is the fastest and most powerful Roku player available, providing a lightning-fast interface. It comes with a rechargeable remote and offers hands-free voice control for ultimate convenience. If you value speed, convenience, and the best possible remote experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The Roku remote is light years ahead of the wonky Apple remote. The new Roku Ultra is more sophisticated, in that it immediately checked and validated that I have 4K capability throughout my system, my cables, my receiver, and my TV. Also, the 4K video comes through beautifully, even though I use a Wi-Fi rather than wired connection. Another improvement that I like is that the remote is rechargeable. The charge lasts for weeks and weeks, and the remote recharges very quickly. Number 3. Roku Streaming Stick Plus, Renewed. Experience seamless streaming with the Roku Streaming Stick Plus. Its powerful performance and long-range wireless capabilities ensure uninterrupted entertainment. It's incredibly portable and delivers exceptional wireless streaming. Enjoy smooth, lag-free viewing, no matter where you place it. This device boasts an advanced wireless receiver, providing 4 times the range of standard streaming sticks. Enjoy reliable streaming from anywhere in your home. It supports stunning 4K, HDR, and HD streaming, bringing your favorite movies and shows to life with vibrant colors and incredible detail. It's incredibly easy to set up and use. Simply plug it into your TV and start streaming your favorite content with the intuitive voice remote. It features built-in Wi-Fi for a simple and quick connection to your home network. Start streaming in minutes. What we like. It features an advanced wireless receiver for an extended range, ensuring reliable streaming even in challenging locations. It also supports 4K HDR for great picture quality. If you need a reliable connection and great picture quality without breaking the bank, this is a great option. What people say. The response in the menus is very fast compared to some of my older Roku sticks on my other TVs. All the apps work as expected normal. The picture quality is an improvement over the built-in LG Smart TV function. We actually get HDR content on YouTube now, for example. The Roku set up very easily. I just plugged it into my TV, HDMI and USB, and Viola, it worked. I didn't have to use the wall plug, which was an added bonus. The Roku remote also controls my TV's power and volume perfectly, allowing me to put the TV's remote in a drawer. It has a few extra features in the remote control to turn on and off your TV and control the TV's volume. It worked immediately after the simple setup on my Hitachi, Vizio, and Toshiba TVs. The streaming stick is small enough to fit behind all of my TVs in the HDMI slots without any issues. It comes with a short USB power cord so it can hook to your TV's USB port if it's got one. It also comes with a longer extension and an AC power supply if your TV doesn't have a USB slot. This unit is super fast. It goes from screen to screen at least twice as fast, if not faster, than the standard Roku HDMI stream stick. Number 2. Roku Express HD. It's incredibly simple to stream free, live, and premium TV right to your TV. Perfect for first-timers or adding to another TV. Just plug it in and connect to the internet. It's that easy to get started streaming your favorite shows. This compact device lets you stream movies, series, and live TV from all your favorite channels. Enjoy everything from Netflix to Hulu. For under $30, it includes an HDMI cable and there are no monthly fees. The easy-to-use remote has shortcut buttons to popular channels. Stream free TV, live news, sports, and more. Access 500,000 plus movies and TV episodes. Stream live TV, news, sports, and more on the Roku channel, and enjoy a huge collection of free entertainment. What we like. It offers a quick and easy setup process, making it perfect for new users or secondary TVs. It's also very affordable and provides access to a huge library of entertainment. If you're on a budget and want a simple, easy-to-use streaming device, this is a great choice. What people say. Arrived on time, easy setup, and so far I have not had any issues. Turned an extra TV into a great guest room with movies and all the channels. It hooked up easily and has worked perfectly for what we wanted, simply to stream Hulu, Netflix, Prime, etc. Number 1. Roku Premier Streaming Player. Get ready for stunning picture quality with the Roku Premier. It's the simple way to start streaming in HD, 4K, and HDR. Enjoy easy-to-use remote and intuitive navigation. It comes with a premium high-speed HDMI cable for a seamless setup. Access 500,000 plus movies and TV episodes. Use voice search across 1,000 plus top channels to find exactly what you're looking for. It offers tons of streaming services, from Netflix and Prime Video to live sports and news. Find your favorite movies, shows, and more. Enhance your viewing experience with the free Roku mobile app. Enjoy private listening, voice search, and more convenient features. It features built-in Wi-Fi for a quick and easy connection to your home network. Start streaming your favorite content in no time. What we like. It delivers incredible picture quality with 4K HDR support. It features an easy-to-use remote and includes a premium high-speed HDMI cable. If you want a simple yet powerful streaming experience with great picture quality, this is a solid option. What people say. For set-top units, this Roku gets my wholehearted recommendation for its ease of use, availability, accessibility, and simplicity. It also support Apple AirPlay and provide easy HomeKit integration. The picture is great and set on auto, it goes with any size screen you have. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.